Monitoring and Controlling Process Group. The Monitoring and Controlling Process Group is about making sure the project plan is followed, watching for problems or variances from the project plan, team or stakeholder issues, managing procurement contracts, and making sure that project changes are properly managed. Processes in this group are focused on monitoring and reporting on risks, scope, schedule, cost, quality, and team performance, as well as processes for managing the project team, stakeholders, and contracts. The Monitoring and Controlling Process Group is primarily centered on the HEC and CT portions of the Plan Do Check Act cycle. The Monitoring and Controlling Process Group includes the following project management processes. 1. Monitor and control project work. 2. Perform integrated change control. 3. Verify scope. 4. Control scope. 5. Control schedules. 6. Control costs. 7. Perform quality control. 8. Report performance. 9. Monitor and control risks. 10. Administer procurement, monitor and control project work. Monitor and control project work is the process of tracking, reviewing, and regulating the progress to meet the performance objectives defined in the project management plan. Monitoring includes status reporting, progress measurement, and forecasting. Performance reports provide information on the project performance with regard to scope, schedule, cost, resources, quality, and risk, which can be used as inputs to other processes. Perform integrated change control. Perform integrated change control is the process of reviewing all change requests, approving changes, and managing changes to the deliverables, organizational process assets, project documents, and the project management plan. Verify scope. Verify scope is the process of formalizing acceptance of the completed project deliverables. Control scope. Control scope is the process of monitoring the status of the project and product scope and managing changes to the scope baseline. Control schedule. Control schedule is the process of monitoring the status of the project to update project progress and managing changes to the schedule baseline. Control costs. Control costs is the process of monitoring the status of the project to update the project budget and managing changes to the cost baseline. Perform quality control. Perform quality control is the process of monitoring and recording results of executing the quality activities to assess performance and recommend necessary changes. Report performance. Report performance is the process of collecting and distributing performance information including status reports, progress measurements, and forecasts. Monitor and control risks. Monitor and control risks is the process of implementing risk response plans, tracking identified risks, monitoring residual risks, identifying new risks, and evaluating risk process effectiveness throughout the project. And administer procurements. Administer procurements is the process of managing procurement relationships, monitoring contract performance, and making changes and corrections as needed.